Welcome to our channel. Have you ever heard of dead hangs? This simple yet powerful exercise is gaining attention for its remarkable ability to heal and rejuvenate the body. At first glance, it may seem like just hanging from a bar, but the benefits of dead hangs extend far beyond that. They can significantly improve your physical health, enhance flexibility, and promote recovery from various injuries. Dead hangs primarily target the upper body, particularly the shoulders, back, and grip strength. By allowing your body to decompress, this exercise helps alleviate tension in the spine and can even relieve back pain. It's a fantastic way to counteract the effects of our sedentary lifestyles, especially if you spend long hours sitting at a desk. What's truly fascinating is how this seemingly simple movement can lead to surprising healing effects. Many athletes and fitness enthusiasts have reported improved posture, increased range of motion, and even enhanced mental clarity after incorporating dead hangs into their routines. The act of hanging allows your body to reset and recover, making it an essential practice for anyone looking to optimize their physical health. So, if you're searching for an effective way to support your body's recovery process, dead hangs might just be the answer you've been looking for. Stick around as we dive deeper into the incredible benefits and techniques of this underrated exercise. Dead hangs are a straightforward yet effective exercise that involves hanging from a pull-up bar or any sturdy overhead structure with your arms fully extended. This exercise may seem simple, but it offers a wealth of benefits for your body. To perform a dead hang correctly, start by gripping the bar with both hands, ensuring your palms face away from you. Your hands should be shoulder-width apart, and your arms should be fully extended. Engage your shoulders slightly to avoid excessive strain, and allow your body to hang freely. Aim to hold this position for 20 to 60 seconds, gradually increasing the duration as you build strength. The primary muscles engaged during dead hangs include the latissimus dorsi, trapezius, and various muscles in the forearms and hands. This exercise is particularly beneficial for improving grip strength, which is crucial for many other physical activities, from weightlifting to climbing. A strong grip not only enhances performance but also helps prevent injuries. One of the best aspects of dead hangs is their accessibility. They can be performed by individuals at any fitness level, from beginners to seasoned athletes. All you need is a sturdy bar, making it easy to incorporate into your routine at home, at gym, or even at a park. Whether you're looking to enhance your upper body strength or simply seeking a new way to support your recovery, dead hangs are a fantastic addition to your fitness arsenal. Dead hangs offer significant benefits for spinal health, primarily through the process of spinal decompression. When you hang from a bar, the gravitational pull allows your spine to elongate, creating space between the vertebrae. This decompression can alleviate pressure on the discs and nerves, which is particularly beneficial for those who experience chronic back pain or discomfort. By regularly incorporating dead hangs into your routine, you may find relief from tension and tightness in your back, leading to a more comfortable daily life. In addition to pain relief, dead hangs can greatly improve your posture. Many people struggle with poor posture due to prolonged sitting or slouching, which can lead to a host of issues including muscle imbalances and spinal misalignment. By engaging in dead hangs, you strengthen the muscles that support your spine, promoting a more upright and aligned posture. This not only enhances your physical appearance, but also contributes to better breathing and overall body mechanics. Spinal health is crucial for overall well-being as it plays a vital role in the functioning of the nervous system. A healthy spine allows for optimal communication between the brain and the body, impacting everything from mobility to mood. By prioritizing spinal health through exercises like dead hangs, you can improve your quality of life, reduce discomfort, and enhance your physical performance. Embracing this simple exercise can lead to profound changes in how you feel and function every day. Grip strength is a fundamental aspect of physical fitness that often goes overlooked, yet it plays a crucial role in a wide range of activities and sports. Whether you're lifting weights, climbing, or even performing everyday tasks like carrying groceries, a strong grip can significantly enhance your performance and prevent injuries. Dead hangs are an excellent exercise for building grip strength, as they specifically target the muscles in your hands, forearms, and wrists. When you hang from a bar, your grip is constantly engaged to maintain your hold, which activates the flexor muscles in your forearms. This sustained tension not only strengthens these muscles but also improves endurance, allowing you to hold onto objects for longer periods. As you progress with dead hangs, you'll notice an increase in your overall grip strength, which can translate to better performance in various physical activities. Many sports and activities benefit from improved grip strength. For instance, rock climbing requires a powerful grip to hold onto small ledges and grips, while weightlifting relies on a strong grip to safely lift heavy weights. Additionally, sports like gymnastics and martial arts demand excellent grip control for executing techniques effectively. Even recreational activities like playing tennis or golf can see improvements with enhanced grip strength. By incorporating dead hangs into your fitness routine, you'll not only build a stronger grip but also elevate your performance across a variety of physical pursuits. Dead hangs are an effective way to enhance shoulder mobility and flexibility, making them a valuable addition to any fitness routine. When you hang from a bar, your shoulders undergo a unique range of motion. As your arms extend and your body weight pulls down, the shoulder joints are gently stretched, allowing for increased movement in the shoulder girdle. This decompression helps to open up the shoulder capsule, promoting better alignment and function. Increased shoulder mobility has numerous benefits for daily activities. Simple tasks like reaching for items on a high shelf, lifting objects, or even performing household chores become easier and more efficient when your shoulders can move freely. Improved mobility also translates to better performance in sports and fitness activities, allowing for a greater range of motion during exercises like push-ups, overhead presses, and swimming. Moreover, enhanced flexibility in the shoulders can play a crucial role in injury prevention. Tight or restricted shoulder muscles can lead to imbalances and compensatory movements, increasing the risk of strains or tears. By regularly practicing dead hangs, you can maintain healthy shoulder joints and reduce the likelihood of injuries related to overuse or poor mechanics. This proactive approach to shoulder health not only supports your physical activities but also contributes to overall well-being. Incorporating dead hangs into your routine can lead to a more mobile, flexible, and resilient upper body, enhancing both your daily life and athletic performance. Dead hangs not only provide physical benefits but also offer significant mental health advantages that can help reduce stress levels. Engaging in physical activity such as dead hangs stimulates the body to release endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones. These endorphins interact with the receptors in your brain, leading to a natural boost in mood and a reduction in feelings of stress and anxiety. The simple act of hanging can serve as a moment of mindfulness, allowing you to focus on your breath and the present moment, which can further alleviate mental tension. Incorporating dead hangs into your routine can be a powerful tool for managing stress. As you hang from the bar, you not only engage your muscles but also create a moment pause in your day. This break from the hustle and bustle allows you to reset your mind and body, promoting a sense of calm and clarity. Many people find that physical activities like dead hangs can serve as a form of meditation, helping to clear the mind and improve overall mental well-being. To maximize the mental health benefits, consider adding dead hangs to your stress relief routine. Whether you do that in the morning to start your day with focus or in the evening to unwind, this simple exercise can help you cultivate a healthier mindset. By prioritizing both physical and mental health through dead hangs, you can create a more balanced and resilient approach to managing stress in your life. Integrating dead hangs into your fitness regimen can be a straightforward and rewarding process. To start, aim to practice dead hangs 2 to 3 times a week. This frequency allows your body to adapt and recover while still reaping the benefits of this exercise. For beginners, start with shorter durations, holding the hang for about 20 to 30 seconds. As you build strength and endurance, gradually increase the duration to 60 seconds or more, depending on your comfort level. If you're feeling extra generous and want to support our channel, consider sending a super thanks by clicking on button right below this video or the 3 dots. It looks like a heart within a dollar sign. By clicking on it, you can choose to make a small contribution to our channel. Your contribution helps us to keep bringing you valuable content and fuels our passion for creating We're grateful for your support and can't wait to see your super thanks messages. To create a balanced routine, consider combining dead hangs with other exercises that target different muscle groups. For instance, you can pair dead hangs with pull-ups, push-ups, or core exercises like planks. This combination not only enhances your upper body strength, but also promotes overall fitness. Incorporating mobility work, such as shoulder stretches or yoga, can further complement your routine and improve flexibility. As you integrate dead hangs into your workouts, it's essential to listen to your body. Pay attention to how your shoulders, arms, and grip feel during and after the exercise. If you experience any discomfort or pain, it's crucial to adjust your technique or reduce the duration. Progressing gradually is key to avoiding injuries and ensuring long-term success. By incorporating dead hangs thoughtfully into your fitness regimen, you can enhance your strength, mobility, and overall well-being while enjoying the journey of improvement. In summary, dead hangs are a remarkably effective exercise that offers a wide range of healing benefits for both physical and mental health. Physically, they promote spinal decompression, enhance shoulder mobility, and build grip strength, all of which contribute to improved posture and reduced back pain. Mentally, dead hangs can help alleviate stress and boost mood through the release of endorphins, making them a valuable addition to any stress relief routine. One of the most appealing aspects of dead hangs is their simplicity and accessibility. You don't need any fancy equipment or a gym membership. Just a sturdy bar or overhead structure will do. This makes dead hangs an exercise that anyone can incorporate into their fitness regimen, regardless of their experience level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, you can easily adapt the duration and frequency to suit your needs. If you found this information helpful and are eager to learn more about health and fitness tips, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel.